students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. Now from today we start with a new chapter, the logarithms, and our today's topic is the introduction to logarithms. In our today's session we will be learning why do we need logarithms. Almost all of us have seen this word logarithms maybe as a heading of some chapter or somewhere else. But first of all, we have to know why should we be learning logarithms? Why do we need this? Of course, there are practical applications of logarithms as well, which we will be learning later on. But in our today's session, we will be just learning about the basics, means why did this logarithm concept come? From where did it come? Okay. So without any further delay, let us start with our today's session. So when we have to find the value of x from this equation, x to the power of 3 equal to 125, this is an exponential equation. We can make the powers or exponents the same for both the sides, because we can write 125 as 5 to the power of 3. And since the power is the same on both sides, we can equate the bases and we get the value of x as 5. Or else we can take the cube root of both the sides, and cube root of 125 will be equal to 5. So that way also we will be getting the x value as 5. Okay. But if we have this type of an equation, 10 to the power of x equal to 15, how do we find the value of x from this equation? Because if it was 10 to the power of x equal to, say, suppose 100, then we could have written 100 as 10 to the power of 2. And then since the bases would have been the same, that is 10, we could have equated the powers and the value of x would have been equal to 2. But we cannot express this number 15 as some power of 10. Then how do we find the value of x? Okay. So to solve this equation, we need a function which is known as the logarithmic function. And now you may say that we do not know anything about functions. Definitely you do not know anything about functions. I'm assuming that because I have not made any video. I have not explained to you about functions yet. But you can just take it as a name with no special significance for this word function. It is just a name. Okay. So in order to solve this type of equations, we need this term. Means it has, of course, it has some properties. So we will be needing this term along with its properties. Okay. And the x value will be equal to, it is this logarithmic function, this term, and it is log 15 to the base 10, which is approximately equal to 1.18 up to 3 significant figures. And this x equals log 15 to the base 10 is known as the logarithmic equation. Just like this is an exponential equation, even this one is an exponential equation. This is a logarithmic equation because of this presence of this word log. And log functions are inverses of exponential functions. Yes, if you don't know anything about functions, and of course you will not be knowing about inverse functions, so you may skip this line for now. Okay. Next, we read this logarithmic equation as x is the logarithm of a in base b. B is in the subscript. It is written not in the same level, it is the subscript. Okay. It is x is the logarithm of a in base b, or x is the logarithm of a to the base b. Okay. And we do not say this entire word logarithm. We say x equal to log a to the base b. So now coming to the changing of exponential form to logarithmic form, which is very often needed, and this is a very common topic where the students make some silly mistakes. Okay, so first of all, let us take up an exponential form or exponential equation. B to the power of p equal to a. If you remember these letters, it may be helping you in a little at least. Okay, so b to the power of p equal to a. B is the base, p is the power or exponent, and a is the answer. Like over here, x is the base, 3 is the power, and 125 is the answer. Or over here, 10 is the base, x is the power, and 15 is the answer. This is the exponential equation which has to be converted to a logarithmic equation. So the logarithmic form is, since it is the logarithmic form, it has to start with this word log, and then the base always remains the base. B is for the base. You see, this is the subscript, the b is the base. For both the exponential form and the logarithmic form, you have the same base b. And e is the answer for the exponential form, which can also be thought of as the argument. So it is the answer. What is the answer for the exponential form becomes the argument for the log form, because e can be representing the answer as well as it can represent the argument. Okay, both words start with e, and the only letter that is remaining, that is p, has to come on the other side of the equal to sign. P is the power or exponent for the for the exponential equation, and for the logarithmic form, it is read as the product with the meaning of result. And if you are not very satisfied with this word product, you may leave it. But this P is the only word, only letter, which is remaining, which has to come to this side of the equal to sign. Okay, so this is how you change the exponential form to logarithmic form and vice versa. And we will be doing questions of conversion from exponential form to logarithmic form or logarithmic form to exponential form in our future sessions. But this is all for our today's session. Okay, let us stop over here. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.